Okay, so today we have a situation with doorknob changes where my key works in the doorknob, but in the deadbolt is not the same key code. So this is what we do in that kind of situation. Disabling a deadbolt, we're going to be taking this part out, and I'm going to show you how. We'll come over here and see this. Do that. Action photos are pretty cool if you could do that too. You're going to put it back. Put it back on the door frame. And you want to put your doorknob back on as if you were installing it again. Put your screws back in. Screws back in, make sure you get a picture of showing your disabled deadbolt. Snap a photo. That's how we disable deadbolts.